Have you been looking for a new construction home with lots of fancy finishes in the low 400s? Well, we found it for you. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Carly Bacon with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at 1100 Prairie River Drive.
This is our finished new construction, new listing, and we are so excited to show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, living room, and a family room, and all of the fantastic features.
Let's go inside.
This is probably one of my very favorite kitchens of all time.
We have a custom designed kitchen with taller uppers, fancy crown molding, and look at the veining in this quartz countertop.
We had some fun when we picked this backsplash. How'd we do it?
I sent 3 pictures to everyone on our team and had them vote.
This is the one that won, and I think it is absolutely stunning. It gives a lot of character to this kitchen, and it also will be very easy to clean.
Imagine cooking in this kitchen. Thanks to the open floor plan, you're totally involved with everything in the living room and dining room.
And the fancy doesn't stop out there.
Come check out this master bathroom. No need for a door to get in your way. My favorite feature in this bathroom is the huge shower, custom tile work, and it'll be getting a glass door. This bathroom also includes a huge linen closet, hard surface countertops, and cabinets that match the kitchen.
Another pocket door into the main level laundry. I do like this other little nook back here with shiplap, a bench to put on your shoes, and a shelf.
On this side of the home, we have 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom that has materials that match the rest of the home.
Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to tell you. All of you love this paint color on TikTok. It is agreeable gray, and it's through this entire home.
Hey, we have to show you one other feature. More work has been done for you in this second living room with 9-foot ceilings.
If you wanted to put some of your own work in this home, there's still unfinished space. You can build 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. A couple more things we wanted to tell you. This home has luxury vinyl planking in these areas.
The front yard will be landscaped with a sprinkler system and sod in the spring. In addition, a huge RV parking pad. I would love to show you this home. Call or text me today.
Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon. And that is a wrap. All right, now we need to do